The aim of this experiment is to compare the reactivity of different halogens. So to set this up, the first thing I'm going to do is follow the instructions on this sheet, and you'll be able to see this sheet on iFlux as well. And in the first column here, I'm going to add 3 drops of distilled or deionized water to each of these squares. 1, 2, 3 drops like that. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Notice what that water looks like. Note its colour, note its state. So the water is a colourless solution. In the next column, I'm going to add 3 drops of potassium chloride solution to each. 1, 2, 3. Again, notice that the colour is colourless, and this time not a pure liquid because this has potassium chloride dissolved in it. This time a colourless solution. Also notice that I'm keeping the same dropping pipette with the same bottle to avoid any cross-contamination. Put those 2 out of the way. Next column, potassium bromide solution, same idea, so 3 drops in each. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 3. Again, notice that observation, the colour, colourless solution. And in the final column, another colourless solution, potassium iodide, same idea. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So at the moment, the sheet has just got a whole heap of squares, each with different colourless solutions in them. Now, the next thing to add is the halogen in solution. So the first one here is chlorine water. Now, chlorine water is, to all intents and purposes, a colourless solution. So the first row, in the first square, I'm going to add 3 drops of chlorine. 1, 2, 3. And the next one, 1, 2, 3. And again, 2, 3. And the final one, 1, 2, 3. You might be able to notice that there's some changes happening. The second one then, I have got bromine water. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Like so. And the final one, iodine water. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Need a drop more of that, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'll take a photograph of what that looks like from above, because then you'll be able to see the results a bit more clearly.